All right, everybody, welcome back. We are on level 8 of lesson 4. This is where it gets kind of interesting because this is your assessment. So I can't go through and show you how to do it, but I can read the directions for you, go over the rubric, and give any tips or tricks. So over here in the corner, this is what it's asking you to do. So when you click on happy, it should show you a smiley face. It should be yellow and it should say I'm feeling happy. When you click on sad, blue, sad face, I'm feeling sad. Meh, gray, meh face, I'm feeling meh. Okay? So it's asking you to do 3 things for each button. All right? So, emotion machine. Create an app that lets you select different emotions to display on the screen using the emoji icons. So do this. Add an event for when the user clicks the happy button. The happy emoji appears. The icon color changes to yellow. The text changes to happy. So you are doing 3 things that should happen every time I click the happy button. Same thing for 2. Add an event for when the user clicks the sad button. The sad emoji appears. The icon color changes to blue. The text changes to sad. 3. Add an event for when the user clicks the meh button. The meh emoji appears. The icon color changes to gray. The text changes to meh. All right. So those are the directions. Let's look at the rubric. All right. So no evidence. The app has not been updated to match the description. You just click the finish button and you didn't do anything. So that gives you no evidence. We're not going to talk about that because, of course, you're going to do more than that. Limited evidence. All right. So the finished app may have some elements that look correct, but most elements do not update correctly or the app is only partially completed. So then we can do better than that. So convincing evidence. The finished app is similar to the description, but has at least one element that is incomplete. For example, not updating the text or not updating the icon color. So there's something that's not quite right about it. It's not perfect. And so you would get a convincing evidence for that. And then last but not least, what we're striving for, what we want to see, extensive evidence. The finished app matches the description with each button correctly updating the icon and text. All right. So, again, over here, they have a snapshot where it says click to enlarge. This is what yours should look like when you're done. All right. So, I'm going to click OK. I'm going to let you guys play around with that. And then good luck. Again, this is an assessment level, so it'd be a terrible kind of assessment if I just gave you the answers. But I know you can do this because we've done all the things that you would need to do in order to get 100 on this. All right. So I'm going to say good luck, and I will see you guys on level 9. Here we go.